Good morning everyone. Myself Harmeet Singh. I am here to present my soft talk of the month. My topic is e-ball technology. These are my contents of e-ball. Introduction, size of a e-ball, elements of a e-ball, working of a e-ball, projectors, virtual keyboard, if there is no ball, advantages and disadvantages of e-ball. Introduction. E-ball was first created by Aposto Tonokovsky in year 1983. It is the smallest PC ever made. This e-ball consists of 160-inch millimeter display. This e-ball is a round sphere computers-based system, which is the smallest laptops and computers ever made. This computer has all these features like a traditional laptops, like display, keyboard, virtual keyboard, motherboard, hard drive, etc. Size of a e-ball. This e-ball is very small. It is having 6-inch diameter sphere. It is having 120 by 120 mm motherboard. This is the smallest PC ever made. It has 120 mm round sphere. Elements of a e-ball. It has around 350 to 600 GB of a hard drive disk. It contains 5 GB RAM. It has two 50-watt speakers. It has a virtual keyboard. It has a dual core processor. It contains a optical mouse and laser keyboard, including with LCD projector. Working of a e-ball. If we want to on this e-ball, first we have to on this button which is given in the e-ball for 5 seconds. Then according to the adjuster or user, we can adjust a projector to use that display. Then we have to detach the optical mouse. Then we have to activate the virtual keyboard and start our work. Virtual keyboard. As shown in the figure, this e-ball contains a projector in which a design of a normal keyboard is already projected. If we ever want to on this laptop and use in any situation, we can on this projector and start our work in any situation, anywhere. This virtual keyboard consists of 3 elements. The sensor module. The sensor module serves as the eye of a keyboard. The sensor module operates by locating the user in 3D and tracking the keystrokes. IR source light. The infrared light source emits a light, infrared light. This light beam is designed to overlap the area on which the keyboard pattern projects. And the last, the pattern projector. The pattern projector basically represents the image of a keyboard. This projector can be projected only on flat surfaces. This projected image is that of a standard keyboard with all the keys and control functions. If there is no ball, if we anywhere want to on this PC and use, and if we have not any adjustment for a wall, then in this PC a small 126-inch display is already fitted in this e-ball sphere, in which we can on this sphere and using that display wall, we can use our e-ball location. Advantages. This e-ball is portable. It has large memory. It is easy to use. In this, no other unit is required and it is in fast speed working. Disadvantage. Cost of e-ball is very high. Normal operating systems cannot work in these computers. It is very difficult to find if any problem is there in internal issue. Keyboard needs flat surfaces. It can't be projected on rough surfaces. In this e-ball, very limited storage capacity is available. Thank you.